Hey kids, let's count with our hands today. From 1 to 10, 2 hands, okay. But watch what happens when we hit 10. We need more hands to be our friends. Grab a partner and use both sets of hands to keep on counting when the numbers expand. One hand up, show me 5. Fingers straight, come alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count them out again and again. Now we're at 10. What do we do? Add one more with the other crew. Team numbers, fingers up high. 11, 1 on this, 10 on that side. 12, 2 here, 10 over there. Model it out, show you care. 13, 14, wave them proud. 15, 16, say it loud. 17, 18, 19, 2. More hands together, that's what we do. Start with 10 like a high score win. Stick one finger on the second hand in. That's 11, easy as pie. 2 on the side, that's 12, oh my. Keep on adding 3, 4, 5. Watch those team numbers come alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, fingers fly. 19 smiles light up the sky. Team numbers, fingers up high. 11, 1 on this, 10 on that side. 12, 2 here, 10 over there. Model it out, show you care. 13, 14, wave them proud. 15, 16, say it loud. 17, 18, 19, 2. More hands together, that's what we do. We model teams with fingers so fine. From 11 to 19 every time. Count with your hands, you've got the power.
Team numbers rock!
Hour after hour.
Team numbers, fingers up high. 11, 1, this 10 on that side. 12, 2 here, 10 over there. Model it out, show you care. 13, 14, wave them proud. 15, 16, say it loud. 17, 18, 19, 2. More hands together, that's what we do.